Hey guys, this is me Mohammed Anique back with another informative video for you all. So in today's video, we're going to learn how we can do transcription and how we can have an earning from it. So, what is transcription? Transcription is to hear someone's voice in an audio or a video and then write down what that person is saying in that audio or the video. So, I'm going to teach you two methods which you can use to do the transcription very easily. One is going to be the manual method and the other one is going to be the automatic method. And then I'm going to tell you about 5 websites which you can use to have an earning from this method. And you can earn up to $0.6 per minute you transcribe from those websites. Isn't that great? So please stay tuned till the end of the video to not skip any important part I tell you in the video. Now, without wasting more time, let's start with the video. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel Global TV and click on the bell icon so that you can get all my new Make Money Online and informative videos frequently. Now let us start with the method. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can do the transcription. So as I mentioned in the intro that there are 2 ways we can do the transcription. One is the manual way and one is the automatic way. So first of all, let me show you the manual way. So for doing the manual way, we have to open Google Docs. So as you can see here, I'm in the Google Docs right now. And right here, you have to make a new blank document. So I'll click on this blank button right here. Now as you can see here, the blank document has been loaded. So now what you have to do, you have to go in this tools section right here and you have to click on this voice typing button right here. Now what this voice typing will do that it will just type the things that you will say on your mic. So let me just show you an example. I'll click on this button and now it will type all the things which I'm saying right now. So you can see how efficient it is in typing, and it is typing all the things which I'm saying in real time. So how you can use it to transcribe the audio you have. So for showing you guys, I've already downloaded a transcribing audio file. So let me open that file.
I want to start off by saying
you guys
that I know
can
I have
hear
an accent,
this
and
is
please
the
don't
audio
assume it's
which
Russian.
the woman is speaking.
More and more people are complaining about the Go transcript tests we've had so far were easy.
So what we have to do, we have to listen what this person or this woman is saying, and then we have to speak the same thing to this mic, and our transcription will be done. So we don't have to like type manually, we just have to say what she's saying, and transcription would be done by the Google Docs automatically. So let me just show you one sentence for example.
All you had to do is listen carefully.
She's saying all you have to do is listen carefully. So I'll say it again. All you have to do is listen carefully. So as you can see, the sentence is done. Let's just move on.
Read our guidelines and do some research.
Read our guidelines and do some research. So again, read our guidelines and do some research. As you can see here, this is very accurate in typing what you are saying. And another thing which you can do is to play the audio file in some other device and then click on this mic, it will open, and then what you'll do, you just make it here the audio file itself, so it will directly transcribe the transcription audio file which you have, and you don't need to speak it again and again, the sentences which the person is speaking in the transcribing audio file. So that is a more easy method, but you can do both. It is according to you, according to your conditions which you have. Now the second method is the automatic method. So for that we use a website named Weed.io. So this is the website weed.io. You can use this website to have automatically the transcription of your audio file. What you'll do, you just upload the audio. You can click on this button, upload your video or audio, and the audio will be uploaded. Then what does this software do? Using AI, it transcribes the audio by itself and it will give you the audio in text format. Now we can also see it is a free software, but by using the free version you will not be able to use all its functions and stuff. So let us see its pricing in this pricing button right here. Now as you can see, it gives us 4 packages. First one is free, there is second basic which is $12 per month, then pro which is $24 per month, and the business one which is $59 per month. And when we scroll down we can see the comparison of all these plans and we can see what they offer and what they don't offer. So like for example, in free version you'll only be able to transcribe 10 minutes of audio and you will have only 250 MBs upload size, and if you are creating a video from it, then you will have a watermark on that video. So the functions you can access on the free version are limited. So if you are okay with the free version you can use it, but if you want you can also buy the basic or the pro version according to your budget of this website, because it is a very useful website if you want to grow in this transcribing business. But if you don't want to use it, you can always use the manual method which I have taught you of Google Docs. So you have both the choices. So till now I have taught you how you can do the transcription very easily with very little hard work. Now I will tell you that how you can have an earning by this skill of transcribing. So in this video I will show you 5 websites which you can use to have an earning by transcribing. So the first website I'm going to show you is this one, which is gotranscript.com. So this is a very good website which is for all the transcribers. So what you have to do right here, you just have to transcribe the projects and you will get paid for them. So when we scroll down right at the bottom, you will see there's a button here which is join as a transcriber. We will click on it. Now right here you can see it will give us all the information how we can join as a transcriber and what are the benefits of using this website. So as you can see right here, it is written how much it pays us. So it pays us up to $0.60 per audio or per video minute. So if we transcribe 1 minute of video or audio from this website, we will get paid up to $0.6 from this website, and its average monthly earning is $150, and the top monthly earning which people are making in this website is, as you can see, $1,215, which is a very big amount you can earn by doing such a small task which I have already shown you. Now below it also it has some information which if you read it will be good. Now how we can apply? We can apply by clicking on this apply button right now. And now we have to select our language which we speak, so I'll select English. Now right here it is asking us to create a new account, so you just have to quickly create a free account on this website. Now after creating this account, one thing you have to do to start earning money is to pass the test of this website. Now for passing the test you have to do a little bit of preparation. It's somewhat tricky, but you can get the question answers and the practice from this website also. It has in its resources, and from Google also. You just have to search Go Transcript MCQs and stuff, and you will get all the practice material for their test, and it is not that much hard. You can do it easily. So after passing their test you will be good to go to earn money from this website. Now the second website which I'm going to show you is escribers.net. You can see right here. Now this is also a transcription based website as I showed you before, and in this website also you can earn money by transcribing the audios and videos of your clients. So you can see this is the whole website. Now for joining in their team you just have to click on this join our team button right here. Now this will give you all the guidelines of how you can join in the team of transcribers and start earning money. When I scroll down you can see it is given us some prompts which is telling that it is fully remote comfortable work which we can do from home, which is the best part of this work. We can do it easily from home. It has 24/7 tech and transcribing support. It has assistant tools for efficient transcribing, and it also has diverse client list for dynamic work environment. So it is a very good website which you can use to transcribe and earn money. And again, when we scroll down, you can also see right here it has given some practice material which you can use. First of all, you can see right here it has their own legal transcription audio player which you can download by clicking on this download button, which will help you in doing the transcription more easily. And then it also gives us some practice of single speaker audio transcribing, so you can download mp3 audiobooks and stuff, you can see right here, and then practice on transcribing them so that you will be more efficient in transcribing. You can do it by clicking on this single audio button. And then it also has this one which is test and improve your typing speed. So by clicking on this practice typing button, you can also practice your typing speed and increase your typing speed, because it is very helpful in transcribing if you have a fast typing speed. And again, right here, move on to multi-speaker transcribing. It will give us multi-speaker audio which we can use to transcribe and practice. And right here, take a look at real transcripts, and by clicking on this button, it will give us some real transcripts which we can analyze and see how people are transcribing and how we should do the transcription to look professional and earn more money. So this is how you can practice transcribing from this website, and by joining their team you can also earn money from this website. Now the third website which I'm going to show you is Fiverr.com. You all knew it was gonna come, so okay, Fiverr.com. So right here you can see, as most of the people know, Fiverr is a freelancing platform which many people use to earn money and have a passive income from this freelancing platform. Now you can also give transcription services on Fiverr. You can see many people have made many gigs in front of you and they are earning in thousands of dollars. So you can earn thousands of dollars, you can have a passive income by providing your transcription service on Fiverr very easily. So you just have to make a gig, you have to rank that gig, and then you will start earning on Fiverr. I know the initial steps are somewhat hard in Fiverr, but if you do it the right way, you make the gig correctly with all the keywords and stuff, and you do its SEO properly, then there's a very high chance it will rank, and then you will have a passive income from this platform. Now the fourth platform which I'm going to show you is this one, which is crowdsurfwork.com. So this is also like those two transcription platforms which I showed you previously. In this platform also you can earn money by giving your transcription services. So right here you can see two buttons, US and Canada and international. So if you are a resident of USA or Canada, you have to click on this button. But if you live anywhere outside US and Canada, and anywhere means anywhere, so you have to click on this international button right here. So I'll just click on this international button and show you how you can earn on this website. So here you can see it has given us all the details of how we can join and what are the guidelines and what are the requirements. You can see all the requirements right here, and another column of reliable pay in which it is written how much it will pay us. So as you can see, the payment depends on level of proficiency and amount of work completed. The other prompt says that work ranges from 5 seconds to 30 seconds for each audio clip. And the last prompt says that payment ranges from $0.03 to $0.2 per media minute plus additional bonus rates. So we can earn up to $0.2 per minute by transcribing on this website, and it also has some additional bonus rates which we can also have benefit from this website. And now if you want to join this website, you can see these two buttons right here. Now if you have a company, like if you have a transcribing company and you work and you have some staff of transcribers and you work as a team, so you have to click on this join as a company button. But if you are working as an individual and you are just one person trying to earn some money by transcribing, you will click on this join as an individual button. And then after following all the steps, you will join this website and start earning on this website. Now the fifth and the last website which I am going to show you is Upwork.com. Now Upwork.com is also a freelancing website like Fiverr, but what is the benefit of using Upwork.com? That you don't have to wait for people to give you work. You can approach people which are asking for work in this website. So as you can see here, there are many job descriptions right here, and you can apply for these jobs as a transcriber and right here earn money by transcribing and giving your service to the people requiring them. And that's how you can use this freelancing platform named Upwork to apply for the jobs which are in this platform, and you don't have to wait for any person to come and buy your service. You have to yourself apply for the work, and if the client then chooses you to do the work, then you will provide your service of transcription and you will have an earning from it. So this is how you can have a passive income from this very easy transcribing job. And the websites I've shown you in this video are some of the main websites. There are also many other websites which you can explore on Google Chrome. So you can also use those websites if you like. But these are some of the legit websites which I've shown you, and these will pay you 110%. There is no scam in these one. And if you search for yourself on Google, there is some chance that you will end up on a scam website which can scam you. So if you want, you can explore yourself some other different website, but I highly recommend you to do your work on these 5 websites because they are the best you can have. So this method has very much potential and you can have a passive income from this method. Just start the work which I've told you in this video, and then I'm sure that you will have a positive response of your hard work you will do in this work. So guys, this was a very simple and easy method I've taught you in this video. Now please try this method out and give me your reviews in the comment section. Now if you found the video to be informative, please don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button down below. It's totally free and you won't regret it. And if you want to give me some suggestion for the future video, or you want to ask a question about this method, you can ask in the comment box. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.